Okay, again, good day again. This will be the continuation sa ating previous video na about sharing and map drive of folder and level of security of your folder, no? In this part naman is i-discuss ko naman kung paano i-install yung printer, okay, and then how to share it, how to share your folder to another network, no? Okay, first natin gagawin is punta tayo sa control panel. Okay, and then for the meantime, since na we'll use the built-in software of the printer, actually the same naman yan eh. Later na papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano talaga yung pag-set up talaga yung from printer talaga mismo, printer to print up to the part. Actually same method naman to yung approach nito. Una, add device tayo. Okay, bakit kasya? Kasya pala. Bakit tayo? Ano ba yan? Sandali nga. Ano ba to? Okay, then okay, advanced pala yun, no? And I want listed. Okay, then local manual settings, no? Okay, next. Then yun, sample gawa tayo ng parang printer talaga, Epson na brand. Then marami siyang types of version. Yun naman, sample to lang. Try na ito. Then next. Okay, then actually share na muna. Okay, if you can share na lang, yun na lang, share. Okay, printer sharing, if you want to share, then to not share, then share this printer so that other can share. Next, then finish. Yun lang yun. Yung ganun kadali yung pag-share ng folder, no? To access naman, same din sa ginawa natin sa folder. Okay, sharing folder. So, ayun, ito na. Tingnan muna sa control panel natin. Okay, view the printer device. Okay, makikita ka walang printer. And then, if you just click or connect or double click na lang para mas madali, obviously, nasa baba na siya. Okay, one way to identify kung yan na printer is shared o hindi is once you click that one, makakapansin ka na slash, no? Indication na ito ay galing kay dito. Okay, ito yung galing dito. Ito yung indikasyon, no? Ito yung the indication na saan ba yun? Wala. Ito, galing siya dito. Bakit tayo full screen? Ito na, okay. Okay, galing siya dito. Since na yung IP address natin is 133, no? Then punta tayo sa control panel niya. Dapat tayo control. Then view the printer. Ito na yung printer natin kanina. Okay, to identify naman, ito na yung katulad sa share folder din, no? State niya is shared. Okay, so ano yung check? Okay, another idea, no? Yung check is ibig sabihin is set as default. Ibig sabihin kapag sample sa notepad, no? Sample notepad, kapag nag-print ka, okay, si Epson yung una. Okay, kasi naka-check kasi is set as default. Pero kapag ilagay mo to set as default, okay, ito na si Microsoft, print natin, yun, ito yung print niya, dito siya papasok. Okay, pag print niya, ayun, dapat dito siya dapat, no? Ito, set as default, no? Apply, and yun, print, dyan siya lalabas. Okay, yun yung ibig sabihin ng set as default, yun, no? Print, then yun yung ibig sabihin. But babalik na rin dito sa set as default. Okay, ito ginagamit kasi ito kapag gusto mo ng mabilisan na trabaho. That is it. How to share, how to install a share printer. Okay, see what's okay. Ito yung kasi nangyayari kapag ginamit ni client, actually replica server. Tignan natin, notepad ulit, print, as apply. Okay. Usually kapag nalabas dito eh. Usually dapat may lalabas dito. Parang mabilis lang yata yun. Print. Print. Okay, yun no. That's how it been done. Actually, pwede naman to share mo. No? Share mo na ganito. Printer properties. Kung ayaw mo naman siya ganong setup, ito na yung printer. Sharing. Ano? Share. Oh, yun. Ano sila na? Sharing. Okay. Since na sharing is not supported of this type of printer, then usually dito na tayo. Okay. Kasi hindi kasi supported to eh. Viewer lang to. Okay. Properties. Sharing. Ayun. Ito. You can change the name naman if you want to. Okay. That is how it's been done. Okay. That's it for today. By the way guys, clarify ko lang, actually this video is made for ito yung totoo na talaga nangyayari, no? Hindi to ibig sabihin na video na everything what you see is smooth. Okay, parang yung talaga main purpose ko is just to be natural. Ayaw ko mag-edit eh. Ayaw ko i-editin yung mga mali ko. At least nakikita nyo yung mali. At least in the future you can avoid yung mga changes na yung mga nangyayari sa nakikita nyo sa mga vlog ko. Okay, that's it for today. Next video naman, pag-usapan naman natin, babalik tayo sa server, no? Kasi install natin yung mga Active Directory. Okay, thank you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit mo na lang yung notification bell button and paki-like mo na lang. Kung may mga comment, don't forget, kung may mga comment, katanungan, just hit the comment down below na lang. Thank you and God bless. Keep